YouTube. YouTube is the number one platform to learning over the world. The people are learning and earning from YouTube. So why not you get the digital learning from that? And there is another platform that is called Khan Academy. The Khan Academy is a wonderful website that is allowed to you enable number of websites and number of things there for learning subjects and learning much things there. So keep engaged and keep learning. That is more important every day. Like Facebook, Twitter and other platforms are also learning entertainment and be digitalized, socialized things, as learning is also enabled to yourself. On your Khan Academy platform, there is a good opportunity to avail number of things.